One way you can use the dominant sound without making it feel like a cadence every single time is to use an inversion. I do that right over here in bar 2, B is in the bass, and we have a G, literally just a G triad in the right hand. Now this inversion here with this A specifically in this context is doing a number of things. First of all, we have the A being tied over from this A minor chord over here, but because we're not having the full cadential motion of going D to G, it doesn't feel like G is our tonic. We are saving that cadential motion, that root position motion, for our final cadence over here. Now these 7th chords really help us drive home the harmonic intent, because those dominant 7th chords just have so much tension built into them because of that tritone. And that's fantastic, but you want to be careful about how you treat that 7th when you are using them. The big idea here is that you want the 7th to resolve down by step, especially if it's in an outer voice. Now here, this 7th is not in an outer voice, but it still resolves down by step because I really liked this F sharp, F natural to E. That chromatic motion and that little middle voice there is just really pretty, and it creates this really wonderful cohesive sound that makes the D7 feel even more like it has to be part of this chord progression, because we're using the chord tones in a more melodic way with our voice leading. I mean, another way of saying that is just we're just using good voice leading. That's the other way of saying that. So that's how you can avoid that cadency feeling when you're using a dominant without wanting to have it be a full-on cadence. Or when we're using a secondary dominant, like in bar 4, and we don't want what we're tonicizing to feel too much like the tonic, so that when we do get to the tonic, it still feels like it. If you want to make your melodies the very best they can be, you should check out my free video training, 7 Ways to Write a More Effective Melody. There's a link down in the doobly-doo. If you want to know more about another music writing thing, you should check out the video that's popping up on your screen. I'm out. Bye.